Question number 27. In one of the criminal cases, inspectors found part of the criminal hairs on crime scene that helped on an adequate quantity of DNA for genetic fingerprinting to compare it against some of other criminals holders. As per the table below, whom of the suspect committed the crime? 1, 2, 3, or 4? Exactly the correct answer is the suspect 3. And how can we find it out? If you compare the suspect against the specimen. This is a specimen that will be found in the crime scene, and if you have if you make a comparison for the fragments, you're gonna find this fragment is typically to this one, and this fragment typically to this one, and those two exactly typical to that two, and even the last one. But all of the rest will not make this matching, so we are excluding all of them except suspect 3, which there is or showed a perfect match for the genetic fingerprint that was being made for the specimen found in the crime scene. So the criminal is, yes, the suspect 3.